The global fashion industry is increasingly recognizing the need to reduce its impact on climate and nature. As one of the world's largest producers of viscose Rayon, APR has a responsibility to be at the forefront of efforts to ensure we build back better.
APR 2030 is our response to the global ambition to bring emissions down to net zero by 2050 and help make sustainable fashion accessible to all.
Our 10-year sustainability plan, APR 2030, is an ambitious, science-led, time-bound series of commitments towards emissions reduction, closed-loop manufacturing and chemical recovery, habitat restoration, and social equality and well-being.
Working alongside our key supplier, April Group, we are committed to ensuring thriving landscapes through conservation, restoration, and an increase in productivity to decouple growth from deforestation.
We will implement science-based solutions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and achieve net zero emissions from land use.
We are committed to move away from the traditional linear business model, make, take, and waste, and move towards circular economy systems.
We plan to source 20% of our cellulosic fiber for viscose from recycled textiles, and will support recycling infrastructure and technology to achieve this.
We are dedicated to advancing clean manufacturing.
That's why we are investing in the most advanced technology designed to increase chemical recovery
and eliminating waste in our production processes.
Inclusive progress is the big part of our company ethos.
We are investing in initiatives designed to improve lives and provide communities with improved access to health and education. Women entrepreneurs will be given the opportunity to flourish in traditional textile craftsmanship, developing a vibrant textile center in Rayon and upscaling Rayon's women and young people.
Women like me.
Women like me.
APR is building a plan for a better future. APR 2030, touching lives with renewable fiber.